Once you know how you are notified by Teams, you can change the default parameters. In this video, you will see that you can activate or deactivate notifications and even customize the way you will be informed about the activity. There are a few ways you can access the general settings in Microsoft Teams. One way is to right-click on the Microsoft Teams icon in the taskbar, and from the menu select the Settings option. I'm going to click away to close this. Alternatively, you can click on your account avatar at the top right of the application, and from the menu select Settings. A settings window will then open. From the left of the window, I'll click on the Notifications tab. At the top of the notification settings, you can adjust your email notifications. This notification is set to that missed activity emails will be sent to my email once every hour. Below that, you can activate or deactivate the appearance and sound for team notifications. The toggle to the right of Show Message Preview is green, indicating this feature is activated, and a notification from Teams will display at the bottom right of my desktop. And the toggle to the right of Play Sound for notifications is grey, meaning no sound will play when I receive a notification. Under the heading Teams and Channels, you can set which type of activity you will receive notifications for. Currently, all activity is selected. I also have the option of only receiving notifications for mentions and replies, or customized, so I can choose the exact activity to receive notifications for. You also have the option of editing the notifications for chat, meetings, people, and other. For example, I'll click the edit button to the right of people, and from here I can enter in a contact's name into the text field. I'll go ahead and type in the name Lisa, and then select her name from the suggestion list. And now I will receive notifications for Lisa's status when she appears available or offline. I'll return to the main settings page by clicking on Back to Settings at the top right of the window. I'll now click the Customized option under the heading Teams and Channels. From this menu, I can set custom notifications for my teams and channels. These custom options include personal app mentions, team mentions, replies to conversations I started, replies to conversations I replied to, likes and reactions, and trending. For example, I'll click the drop-down to the right of Team Mentions, and from the drop-down menu I have the option of receiving a notification for this in my banner and feed, to only show it in my feed, or the option off to receive no notification. I'm going to click away to close this menu. Under the heading Shown and Pinned Channels, I can set custom notifications for the channels I've pinned to the top of a team or shown in my teams list. I currently have this set, so I'll be notified only in my feed that there is a new post in a pinned channel. You can also include all replies in this by checking the box to the left of Include All Replies. And finally, you can adjust your channel mention notifications. I have it set to notify me each time this channel is mentioned in both my banner and feed. I'll return to Settings by clicking on Back to Settings at the top right. From the left of the window, I'll click on the Permissions tab. From here, I can deactivate all notifications by clicking on the toggle to the right of this option. This feature is now deactivated, and I will no longer receive desktop notifications, even if it has been activated in the Notifications section. To enable this feature again, click on the toggle to the right of Notifications. I'll close the Settings window by clicking on the X icon at the top right. Currently, I have the General channel in the Smart Apart team open. From a channel, you can adjust the channel notifications by clicking on the three dots at the top right of the application. And from the menu, hover your mouse over Channel Notifications. A side menu will appear on the right, with the options to receive notifications for all activity in this channel. To turn off notifications except for direct replies or personal mentions, and the option Customized. Click this and a channel notification settings window will open. And from this window, I can adjust the notifications for all new posts made to this channel. I can choose whether to include all replies or not. And finally, I can adjust the notifications for when this channel is mentioned. To save any changes made, click the Save button at the bottom right. This has been an overview on managing your notifications in Microsoft Teams.